Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the host key, and that guest additions are present so commands work predictably. Open Virtualbox and check File, right arrow Preferences, right arrow Input to see which host key is assigned. The default is right control. Once done, focus the virtual machine window so it receives keyboard input. Then try a quick host plus F press to toggle mode. This first step both performs the action and verifies the key mapping, which prevents unexpected input capture or unresponsiveness later. Now you perform the core action. Press the host key plus F to exit full screen. This tells Virtualbox to restore the VM window so you can access the host desktop. If that key combo doesn't register, press host plus home to reveal the hidden Virtualbox status menu, and then navigate to view right arrow switch to windowed mode or deselect full screen. Make sure the VM is active and not frozen. If the menu appears, use it. This works because the host key releases keyboard capture and hands control. Finish by resizing or moving the returned VM window so you can work comfortably. Virtualbox preserves guest resolution unless auto-resize is enabled. If the guest display looks odd, toggle View right arrow auto-resize guest display to let the VM adapt, or manually set resolution inside the guest OS. If you cannot exit full screen at all, verify host key mapping and preferences, try an alternative host key, or reinstall guest additions. These steps fix keyboard capture and driver problems that commonly prevent the toggle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.